Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. I create beauty, entrepreneur, and lifestyle videos. So if that is something that you like to watch, then make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. My hair is getting long, as you guys can see. You guys done seen me shave my head off on camera and all. And it's been, I would say about like, when was the last time that I cut my hair? I'm trying to think. It's probably been maybe 6 months. I don't know, maybe even less. I have to look on my phone. But as you guys can see, my hair is growing. But it is time for me to wash my hair. Like, my scalp been super itchy. I've been like putting so much product in my hair. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the stuff that I use and everything to wash my hair, tame my curls so that my curls are nice, healthy, and luscious, and also, you know, what's actually been helping my hair grow. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Damn, do I have my comb? Yes. Sorry. So I like to pretty much just comb out my hair first. And I have this wooden comb that I got from, I think, the dollar store. And do not mind my underarms, you guys. I haven't shaved yet. So, ouch. I like to just kind of like comb out my hair. You guys see how long my hair is? Like, she's super long. Kind of like, not really you guys back, but like you guys up so you guys can see. Super long. So yeah, the products that I've been using are from, okay, it's back. It's from Curlsmith. So to wash my hair, I've been using the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. It's a pre-wash treatment for all hair and scalp types. It's a microbiome balance stimulant to protect and detangle. So yeah, so it says prebiotics are nutritive compounds that feed the scalp's protective barrier, the microbiome, creating the perfect environment for hair follicles. So I use this first, and then I go in with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. So this is a clarifying scrub shampoo for all hair types. It says microbiome control, exfoliate, clarify, and cleanse. Oh my gosh, Liam, I'm gonna have to close your door, okay? Because you're being super loud. What? Keep hearing me. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry y'all, but my son is playing a game. But it says probiotics are microorganisms that strengthen the scalp's protective barrier and microbiome. And then I like that they're cruelty free and vegan. Then I go in with that, and then I go in with the Postbiotic calming conditioner. So it's a cooling conditioner. This is for all hair and scalp types. And then a lot of these products has like hyaluronic acid. This has tea tree leaves, peppermint oil, organic thyme oil. But this is pretty much like to restore and refresh, soothe, and hydrate. The shampoos wash and scrub has like apple cider vinegar, ginger root, dragon fruit juice, organic wild nettle. And then the primer, the pre-wash, has rice water in it. That's why my hair has been growing. I heard rice water is really good to help with your hair. It has ginger root, guarana extract, dragon fruit, and wild nettle. So like those are some of the ingredients that it has. And then if I wash my hair, if I put a lot of product in my hair, then I wash my hair every week, like once a week. if I do not put a lot of product in my hair and I just kind of like let my hair do its thing. If I don't put a lot of product in my hair, you'll see my hair looking like this, like no product. I kind of just like always keep it like combed out so it doesn't get too tangled up or whatever. Or I'll put like a little bit of water just so the curls can kind of like, you know, come back a little bit, but I really won't put any product in my hair. But I would do like anytime I do wash my hair, I'll go ahead and I'll use their Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. It's a deep conditioner to help balance, restore intense hydration. And this has hyaluronic acid in this one. So I use this because, like I said, I do have dry scalp, and then since my hair is treated, I've bleached my hair, I've dyed my hair, like my hair is dry. Okay, my hair is dry, so we have to take care of her and, you know, whatever. Then there are 3 other products that I kind of like go back and forth with. Sometimes I use all of them, sometimes I only use one of them. So one of them that I always kind of use, and I like to actually use this as a water mix too. So I have my spray bottle in here, and I actually put some of this in with some water, and I'll like spray that in my hair every couple times throughout the week. So it's a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So it just kind of like keeps the hair really nice and soft. And you know what I like about this is that, one, your hair doesn't get crunchy, it doesn't leave a lot of buildup in your hair either, and it still helps like define the curls. So I won't really have to put any gel or anything like that in it, because this actually will kind of do that for me. If I want to style my hair, then I can use this Hold Me Softly Style Balm. So this is a styling cream for curly and wavy hair. This is what it looks like. Define, Bounce, Soft, Hold, Elasticity. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy at all. A little bit of this, and it kind of just like, you know, helps bring in a lot more definition. This has like raspberry oil, rosemary oil, avocado, apricot, aloe, and olives, and andiroba. I think that's what that says. And then the leave-in conditioner has wild muru, babasu seed oil, hyaluronic acid, grated ginger, dragon fruit pulp, torn wild nettle, and silky castor oil. And then the last thing, like if I really want like my curls to be defined and last me a couple days where I don't have to continuously like, you know, refresh it in the morning, then I'll use the Curl Defining Styling Souffle. It's a gel, and it helps a lot with frizzy hair. So now that it's hot, my hair does get, you know, the humidity and everything, it will get frizzy. So this one kind of has like a 50% hold. This does leave my hair like slightly, you'll feel like that slight crunch, but it's not super like, you know, hard and everything like that. And then this has Irish moss, babasu oil, flaxseed infusion, rare andiroba, wild rosemary and sage, and mashed avocado. So all these products have some like really good organic, you know, herbal products and everything in it, and I feel like that's kind of like what's been like really helping me with my hair, getting my curl pattern back to normal. So I'm gonna stop talking because you guys are probably like, damn bitch, you talk too much. But I just wanted to show you guys the products that I, you know, was using, and everything like that. So let's get to it. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna set you guys up and then go ahead and see how I wash my hair and stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys, this was so hard to film because my camera kept fogging up. Like, I don't know how these YouTubers, these big YouTubers be having, like, they be doing these type of videos, like wash day, or like, I don't know, like, I can't. I had to keep moving my camera, I had to stop, and then I'm blind as hell, so that's why you see me squinching my eyes, because I couldn't see the camera.
But as you guys see, like, I kept moving the camera and everything because it kept getting foggy. So I hope this did justice to you guys. I'm sorry.
Alright, you guys, we're back in the this. Okay, I have my glasses on, so you guys, can't see. So, my hair is washed, unwashed, and I'm just right now just kind of taking any little excess. See, this is my hair, you guys. So for those who know like curl pattern, please let me know what kind of curl pattern I have. Because of my glasses, I think I'm getting a pimple. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. So but today I'm just gonna use since my hair is like freshly washed, I'm just literally gonna use that much of the leave-in conditioner. And what I like to do is I kind of like to just go through it from roots to tips, and then I'll go ahead and just kind of like coat it. Look how long my hair is. Oh my god. Okay, and I kind of want to leave it at the middle part. Okay. And then I just go ahead and I kind of just scrunch that in there, making sure all that product stays soaked in my hair. Because I think I'm gonna use a little. I'm not gonna use a gel today, but I am gonna use a little bit of the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, and I'm literally just gonna use that much, just that much, because what I like to do is let me put you guys down a little bit. Pull my head over and just kind of like clench this product in my hair, and then I'll kind of just like rub it in. Just and boom. And my hair is not cut evenly. That's why I want to like let it grow more. That's why I want to let it grow more and get the curly cut. If you guys don't know what a curly cut is, it's pretty much when you go to the salon, and not everyone can do it. There's literally people who are specialized in curly cuts, but you pretty much go into the salon. They'll wash your hair. They'll wash your hair, get your hair to its natural state, and then they'll cut your hair. That's pretty much what a curly cut is. They'll cut your hair when it's curly. So you guys can see it's still wet, but once it gets dry, sometimes I use the diffuser. I have like a small mini blow dryer, and I'll use the diffuser. But I think today I'm just gonna kind of like let it air dry. I kind of want it to air dry too. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks. That's what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super short and everything like that, but I've been getting a lot of compliments on my curls lately and everything, so I thought why not just go ahead and just show you guys what I use for my hair and kind of like show you guys how I got my hair back to its natural state. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture of how my hair looked before it was like this, that way you guys can see like the curl. I think I have a picture. I think I do have a picture when my hair was longer. When I let it grow, I believe it was like 2 years ago, I had let it fully grown out and then I shaved it off. That's when you guys saw me like shave it off. I think I shaved it off last year, didn't I? I think I did. I don't even know, y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all how like the curl pattern was, so you guys can see like it was a lot more looser and a lot more wavier, where like my curls now, like they're a lot more tighter, and my hair gets curlier now at the root. Before, it definitely didn't do that. And I don't have any more of like those straight. I have like a few like that still needs a little bit more taming, but I don't have a lot of the like damaged straight hair that just would not curl at all. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a picture. I'm gonna leave it here, wherever, so you guys can just see the difference in the curl pattern. I'll probably show a picture after, like how my hair looks after, once it's like fully dry, because it's still pretty wet. So my curls are kind of like weighing down a little bit just because of the water, but you'll see how, and it doesn't look as full. So you'll see how it'll look once it's dry or whatever. I'll just like post the picture here at the end. But I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. If you guys want to see like different hairstyles that I do, let me know in the comments below. That way I can kind of show you guys those videos. And yeah, love you guys bunches.